Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, this is not a question for either one of the sponsors, so I thank you for y'all being here. Mr. Chairman, we got a letter here from the Attorney General. In the second paragraph, and I paraphrase, says that he's asking for a fingerprint-based national background check for those who apply. Is anybody from our services like ICE or immigration, are they here today to testify at all?
I don't believe so. Is there anyone here from ICE? No, I don't think so.
And do we have any letters from our 4 congressional leaders regarding this bill?
We have no letters from federal authorities that I am aware of.
And no letters from any one of our congressional leaders, right?
Name them, please. Letters from
our 4
which one?
congressional leaders.
Who are they?
Oh, come on. I know. Cicilline, huh? Yeah, Reed, all of them, White House. So, Langevin, no letters from them.
We have received no letters from our senators or representatives in Congress, no.
Thank you. Good.
Any other questions for us? Representative McEntee.
Great speech, Anastasia. Thank you.
True. Thank you.
Number 5, that they have to file an affidavit with the Division of Motor Vehicles attesting that such applicant has filed an application to legalize their immigration status or will file such an application as soon as they are eligible to do so. So this is just signing an affidavit under oath, but no documentation to go along with it?
Yeah, they have to show that they have proof that they went to immigration and applied and so forth. They have to bring proof.
Okay.
Yes.
But then how do they prove or will file such an application as soon as they are eligible to do so? So how do you do that?
So what happens is, as I mentioned, it's not $50 or $100. Mm-hmm. And many of these workers are working below minimum wage in some cases and minimum wage jobs. So therefore you have rent you have to pay, you have light, heat, food. So the cost for application is not cheap. Mm-hmm. So you have to, like many of our seniors, decide, do I take my medication, do I purchase my medication, or do I pay rent? So the income is limited, but the effort is going to be there. So now having this, you can, those that have one job and use public transportation to get there, now can, with a driver's license now, can get a second job and be able to get to and from that a lot easier than taking 2 and 4 buses in one day to get to one minimum wage paying job. So they will be able to save up enough having the opportunity.
I understand that, Representative, but I'm just trying to figure out how a person files an affidavit that would have any teeth in it saying or that I will file an application as soon as they're eligible to do so. I mean, obviously you don't have any documentation that could show that, I wouldn't think.
The application, when you go to apply, you have the...
It says, I'm looking at the specific language, maybe... it's something we could work on, because it said, or you can sign the affidavit saying that, yes, you have started the process. Right. So that's easy. They can show that. But, or will file such an application as soon as they are eligible to do so. I mean, I don't know how you can prove that other than to just sign and say, I'm going to do it.
No. Remember, this license is not a 5-year license. So you have to be able to, you're going to come back. So if you're coming back, you're going to have to present what you said you would present, and that would be a legal document.
All right. Thank you.